To access the Tramline settings, we go to the second screen of soft keys, press on the wrench here, and then on this symbol. By pressing in the top line, you can choose from the various pre-programmed rhythms. The first number is always the consecutive numbering of the rhythms. The length of the rhythm is in the second column. This is followed by the tracks in which the lanes are switched. First the left, then the right lane. All rhythms are designed so that you start at the left edge of the field. For regular rhythms, the track is the same for each side. For a 3-meter machine, for example, the rhythm number 5 is suitable for a 15-meter wide lane. If there are 2 tracks for each side, it is possible, for example, that only half the lane is seeded in one track, and the other half in the opposite direction. For rhythms that are marked with an S, seeding must be started with only half width. The rhythm 999 can be configured individually. Details of what each rhythm is for can be found in your HORSCH E-Manager operating instructions. To select the desired rhythm, simply press on it and confirm with the check mark. Here, the 999th rhythm could be configured. For example, the lanes are the same as in the field in rhythm 5, but you start a field with track 3 and seed the lane at track 5. The 2 lowest values are the parameters for seeding in the lane. Here, you enter how many meters are to be seeded, and here, how many meters are to remain free. Here, the pre-emergence markers, and below the entire lane switching can be activated and deactivated. Seeding in the lane is activated and deactivated here. Now we go back to the main work screen. On the first soft key screen, we find these buttons. These can be used to control lane switching, in other words, pausing or changing lanes. Beneath the speed, the current track is shown. If a lane is switched, the 2 bars turn black.